So again, we have a patient here having a case of mild stroke. We want to share awareness para iparating namin anong nararapat na klaseng treatment. So dito papasok ang teamwork ng isang rehab clinic, which is the occupational therapy with also, of course, the physical therapy.
I am Vicky. Pagdating ko dito sa FADISAB, naging sa akin yung challenge na siguro pwede, may pag-asa pa akong gumaling kasi magaling ang mga therapist niya, si Ma'am Pat. At saka very excited ako pag-araw ng therapy ko. Pinaghahandaan ko palagi kasi nakita ko meron akong improvement.
So kasama namin sa video na to, si Sir Fred. He is our OT. He is also our OT kay patient Ma'am Vic.
Good day. Kami yung in charge in general sa independence nila. Yung mga pwede pa naming maitulong sa kanila, hindi lang physical aspect ang tina-target namin, kundi pati psychological and emotional nila. May mga na-encounter kami, ire-recommend lang ang occupational therapist after 6 months or after nila mag-PT. By that time, maybe it's too late na kasi nag-progress na yung issues na pwede pa naming matackle sana nung mga unang months or weeks.
So actually, that is very great knowledge kung ano talaga ang role ng OT sa isang rehab team. So without them, actually, napakakulang ang isang rehab facility pag walang OT.
Feel well at FADISAB.